No.
Desiree?
No.
Okay.
What about Minecraft? That one's good. So we had everybody starts punching. and they're not scared to like get in fight. All right, drop your left shoulder down.
Oh God.
Shh. Shh. Hashtag thumbnail.
Oh God. That wasn't. Oof, yeah.
That one was off. Cool.
Oof.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
So right there. Look down. There we go.
I think so.
I think you're good.
Yeah.
Nice kicks.
We're doing all the mukbang.
Bang.
Oh.
Okay. Other side. You get a pretty good feel of body. It's like, how do you know what distance to throw a jab? This one's gonna go. Yeah.
Ooh.
All right, let's go back a little bit again. So this one, we gotta not get the hip. There you go.
Wow, that was amazing. Yeah, because you got the hip on this one, but not that one.
Yeah, so it's the difference in that much as far as your depth.
So good. มาเอาขาแล้วมาที่เขาลอยอยู่เห็นมือคนดูเขาส่งออกเสียงนี้ไหมไม่เอาได้ไหมอ่ะไม่เอาได้ยังไงไม่เอาอ่ะเอาแค่นี้พอด้วยนู้ยดูต้องอ่านด้วยจับนี่เฮ้ยใส่หมดแล้วใส่อยู่
That scoot forward just a little. No. You're in here. Here. Good. Good. Relax. That was good. Now, let's keep that right there. Good. Go this way. Good. All right. That feel okay? Yeah. Knee nice and relaxed here. That was a good one. Good. Probably heard that.